Alright, so I had this problem where the Windows wallpaper wasn't changing randomly. It didn't have this, and it was stuck on like an island wallpaper. So I figured out how to fix it. And if you go to personalize and then background, and if you don't see Windows Spotlight, then that means there's something wrong. And it is very simple to fix. So what you want to do is we'll follow these steps. So go to regedit, registry editor, basically. Now what you want to do is copy this location. Don't worry, I'll put the the link in the description as well. So you want to you want to go over here, Control and A. It should remove it. If it doesn't, try again, and then just backspace if it doesn't, and then paste the link or the directory, enter, and it should bring you up over here. So we're going to look at disable cloud optimized content, and if it is 1, change it to 0. Then we're going to look at disable Windows consumer features. If it is 1, change to 0. Both are hexadecimals. And then what you want to do is to open up PowerShell. I mean, you could try it with terminal, but I just use PowerShell. Search for PowerShell, right click, run as administrator. And then what you want to do is paste this gpupdate /force. And then you should just press enter, and it should be completely fine, and it should work. And then what you want to do is simply restart your PC. Now, after restarting it, what you want to do is go back to personalize, backgrounds, and you'll see this Windows Spotlight appear. At least that's how I got it fixed. So yeah, that is going to be pretty much it. Thank you very much.